Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker, RJO Futures, with morning comments or mid-morning comments of the stock index futures. We will probably concentrate mostly on the S&P June contract, even though we are going to roll in the next week or so. Now, have said that, let's get into the economic reports that came out last night and this morning in America and abroad. Australia, GDP, whopping, went up 4.3. They were looking for 3.3, so that was a big jump of over 1 percentage point for the Australian economy, and that was very good. Raw materials, risk on, commodities, concept. We were waiting for the ECB. They left rates unchanged. The language from them was that they stand ready and willing and able to act if necessary. But that's standard language, in my opinion, for any central bank, and that just means they're not willing to commit at this one moment. Talking about our Federal Reserve, Bernanke is going to go in front of Congress tomorrow, and we'll have better understanding of his view, the Federal Reserve view of the United States economy. Some leakage is the Atlanta president, Lockhart, did indicate in one of his speeches this week that the TWIST program could be extended. And what that really means is that they take money that matures on the short end of the curve and reinvest it on the long end of the curve, which would be artificial, more buying, okay? Price goes up, yield comes down in the bond market. The only reason I say that is it's a way of stimulating the economy. And now, how does that affect stock index futures and the stock market? Well, they love it, okay? So all three events that I talked about just now made the S&P rally. We're up about 1,300 right now. So risk is on, and most of the outside markets are showing that risk is on, the euro is up, the dollar is down, and that's kind of how we see it on the fundamental front. On the technical point of view, nothing really has changed. This is a short covering rally in a bear market right now. We have not even closed above the 10-day moving average. Now, have said that, okay, we have now broken even in the Dow Jones future contract for an unchanged year. Remember, we were up 12% earlier in the year in the first quarter, went to break even, then we went slightly negative, and the people said, oh, we're going to have a lot of big problems to the downside. The bears are still in command, but not today. This is the third day, if we can close better, that we have a nice rally going, a 3-day rally going in the Dow Jones and the S&P. But have said that, let's take a look at some of the support and resistance area for you to kind of hang your hat on for one day, and one day only. Resistance 1301, we're flirting with that now. 1325 would be a trend changer, and that's where we really need to get to. I would have to say in the next 10 points, we're going to hit that 10-day moving average, either exponential or simple moving average, and that would be important. We do need a crossover, and that would probably come in if the market could get up to 1325 in the June contract. Have said all that, you should be calling me, Jeff Friedman, and we can discuss any kind of strategy you'd like to implement, okay? Short-term, long-term, option, selling premium, buying the stock market, long-term or short-term. Call me at 800-826-4124. And remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you very much.